Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna review my Kuromi plush from Sanrio. 2 days ago, after I came from the movie theaters, she arrived. And I was so happy that I got her. And let's get started. The thing here that she wears looks like what clowns and jesters would wear. And those light pink things are like that's what clowns and jesters would wear. And over there, she has a bow. It looks magenta-ish, colorish. And there's her hat and her ears. 2 days ago, my dad says that she looks like a bat because of the ears. But to me, she looks like a demon half bunny. Over there, she has a light pink skull. At the back, she has a devil tail. And at this, it says, warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years. And at the back of the tag, it says, made in China. And she has eyelashes. And she's smiling like an evil girl. I know that my Melody does have eyelashes, but we all know that she's still a girl. And that's all it, everyone. And bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And have a good evening. Bye.